And we know China, maybe not a technology power, but it has a very vibrant innovation ecosystem. And the innovation adoption speed is just amazing. People just embrace the latest technologies. So what do you think of this market?
Yeah, so when I compare China with some other parts of the world, if you look at the US, for example, at the West Coast, in the Bay Area, in the Silicon Valley, they create new things, they create new business models. If you look at Europe, we optimize business models. And when you look at Asia and specifically geographies like China, they embrace new business models, but also destroy old business models. The speed of adoption of innovations is so huge that old business models just disappear. For example, it is sometimes people look at me in a strange way when I still want to pay cash in China because I can't pay with WeChat and with Alipay. And this is, I think, a very good example of the innovation adoption power of China, not only in businesses, also in private life, of course.
And so we have this vibrant innovation ecosystem. So how is GS China leveraging this innovation ecosystem and bring value to this market?
I think China is a perfect market to try out innovative things, to bring them to market early on, to work with customers, because also many of our customers are luckily very keen on adopting innovation, on trying out. They are extremely pragmatic in these kinds of things. And I think this is what we try in globalization services as well. We try to leverage innovation, to try it first out in China, to bring it to market, learn from it, improve our solutions iteratively, and then, conquer the rest of the world.
Do you have any examples to share with us?
Yeah, one example is might be the WeChat integration. We have, for example, for China, we have a recruiting that is embedded into WeChat. And since we have implemented that internally at SAP ourselves, we have received 10 times more applications. So this is, I think, a good example, integration of social media with our SAP solutions, where we first try out and see how are things being adopted in the Chinese market. And of course, now we build up integrations to other social medias that are used in other parts of the world.
And we know our customers, they are facing a fast-changing market and are experiencing this digital transformation. They are quite demanding. So looking to the future, how will GS China and GS generally better and continuously co-innovate with these customers?
I think it is definitely all about understanding the business requirements of our customers. So, of course, SAP and globalization services, we have a lot of technological strengths. Translating technological innovations like machine learning, blockchain, translating them into tangible business benefit for our customers. This is definitely a key strength of us and what we want to deliver to our customers for sure. As long as we achieve that as a unit and as a company overall, I think we are on a good track. SAP GS China. Innovate in China, for China and the world.